So I wrote here, even if you're not sure of how to use the footage right away, trust me, it will all fall into place, which brings us to this case study. So I don't think last launch, but the launch before, the clock was winding down to the Marque Collective doors closing. And I didn't have enough content to post. Like I didn't have anything. I had bad Melanie. I didn't create enough content. And the doors were closing either that night or the night after. I think it was that night. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have like a closing soon post and I don't even have anything. And I went, oh, but I have tons of B-roll. Let me go see if I can use some of that. So I went into my B-roll library and I found this random video that I had made. This video was made on a day when I had my makeup done and my hair done. And I was like, I was feeling good. And I decided between appointments, I was going to just record a whole bunch of B-roll. And one of them, I was holding my phone and I thought, I'm just going to spin. I'm going to do a spin. Like I'm just going to spin round and round and round and record myself with different expressions on my face. And maybe I can use it one day. Well, when I saw that footage and doors were closing, I immediately was inspired. I had no idea how I was going to use that footage, by the way, when I recorded it. But when I saw that footage on that day that I didn't have content, I thought, oh, look, there's me looking really confused and upset and sort of like, I was like making one of these faces, like, ooh, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. And I thought, oh, that's how realtors are going to feel in 2024 when they don't understand how to market themselves and they don't have a resource like the Marque Collective to do so. And what I did was I sped up the footage so it's really, really fast. And I added some cute music. Done. It took me maybe a minute or two to put that reel up. And the thing is, I had no idea how I was going to use that footage when I filmed it. And the best part, I have it written here, is I got many signups from that. So that's the power of having all this footage at your disposal. When you drop the ball and you know you should be posting and you don't have anything ready to go, your B-roll will always save you.